Hi, this is Sam. You, my friend, you want to learn how to start a business. Well, you're in the right place. I have my own business and I'm gonna show you all the tips and things you need to do to get started. All right, let's get on to the video. You have to be passionate about this. If you're not passionate, you're not gonna get very far. If you really want to succeed and take your business to the next level, you have to be passionate. You won't make it very far if you're in it for the money. So here's a big thing, not a lot of people know. People want your product. You just gotta find the right category of people. Since there's billions of people in this world, there's millions of people who want your product. How do you find the right people? You need to have a platform. And the platform is TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, Pinterest, etc. You need to create a business page and you're gonna put all of your products on this page. And you're gonna have to bring all the people to your page. So how do you bring the people into your page? You need to expose your business. So TikTok is really good to expose your business. You need to make good quality videos with good lighting, good focus. Everything needs to be professional. Because why would you want to see an ugly, crappy video when you could be seeing a professional video? You know, no one's gonna want to look at a crappy video. They're just gonna skip. So it needs to catch their eye. So expose your page is using hashtags and Instagram Reels. So Instagram Reels is somewhat similar like TikTok. Have the right timing to post your stuff, the right day, like everything you need to know. And you may ask how? Well, on Instagram you can look at your analytics and everything will pop up of when your users are active. A big thing is professional pictures. When I first got started, I thought my pictures were amazing and it was perfect. And then I look back, I'm just like, damn, these are some trash photos. No wonder nobody would want to get my stuff. It needs to catch their eye. If they're scrolling, like just imagine you have to put it in your perspective. Imagine you're scrolling through Instagram and then there's these nice pair of sunglasses and it's like centered, the background is popping, but the main product is just like what you see the most, right? What captures your eye. That's a great quality photo. It needs to have good lighting and you should also edit your photos. Pictures of my jewelry. Some websites you can use is Etsy, Shopify, OfferUp, and etc. There's so many websites you can use, but the one I recommend as a beginner, use Etsy. Etsy is a platform where you sell handmade craft stuff, but people also sell stuff they buy from other people. That it makes sense. So you know how when you go on Etsy and you search something up and the first thing that pops up are people who have sold already 5,000, 6,000 things? Yeah, that is what you will get, and which is so amazing. And it's just a really great tool to use because it gives you the analytics, it gives you literally everything as professional. So the last thing I am going to be telling you is wholesales. So this is where you're going to be buying your products. There's hundreds of wholesales, but you need to find the right one for you. I know a lot of people go on Alibaba and AliExpress. There's many different wholesales. So I sell jewelry, so I would look up jewelry wholesales. Lots of wholesales will come up and you just pick the right one you like for you. Trying to sell, I don't know, sunglasses, look up sunglasses wholesales. Or you can also look up, like come on, everyone gets their products from China, everybody. So even the stores you go to, everything says from China. So you can do is you can look up, for example, jewelry wholesales in China, and it will ship it directly to your house. I really recommend starting a business if it's something you're passionate about. Not something to bring money in, because money is great. But if it's something you really like to do, you will succeed. And don't give up. You're not gonna see results right away. It's gonna take time to bring your customers in. It's gonna take time. It took me months. But get the followers and get the people to see your stuff. I also did reach out to people on Instagram. I would be like, hey, this is my account. This is the products I sell. Everything's under $10. And I'll basically promote my stuff and I would send messages to everybody who would follow me. It's basically giving them your card. Like, you know how people give out their business card and their information? That's the exact same thing. Giving a big paragraph, not a big, but small enough so then they could just scan through it really quick. If they're interested, they'll be interested. So first impression, and you have to make it really good. You also have to have a really great name. So my name is Soberla. You can come up with anything you want, and it has to be something that you really like. If you have any questions about business, comment. I wish nothing but the best for you and your business. You got this.